let us make a second group. Now while making the second group here, let us see how we are making the groups. Group and the variable PQRS. Okay, the very first group is made in such a way that 0 is to be compared with 1. Now 0, the element of group 0, that is nothing but 0 0 0 0, is to be compared with each element of 1. That means 0 should be compared with this one, after this one, after this one. So this is how we are going to obtain our first group. Okay, so first of all, this is nothing but, I will write down the decimal equivalent here. This is nothing but 0, and 0 is going to compare with 0 compared with 1, 0 compared with 2, 0 compared with 8. After that we'll have 1 compared with 3, 1 compared with 9, 1 compared with 10. After that 2 compared with 3, 2 compared with 9, 2 compared with 10, then 8 compared with 3, 8 with 9, 8 with 10, and we have to find out the logic gates. We have to find out the common terms, not logic gates. We have to find out the common terms in between. Let us find out. So first of all, let me complete this. Okay, so what we can do, starting with 0, 0 compared with all the next group, that is nothing but group number 0 compared with group number 1. So we have here, first of all, there is a combination between 0 and 1. So this 0 is compared with 1. So we have 0 comma 1 group in which the S bit is uncommon. So I will put here 0 0 0, don't care. Next term, 0 compared with 2. So 0 compared with 2, I have 0 0, don't care, 0. Next one, 0 compared with 8. So it is 0 comma 8, and the group is don't care, 0 0 0. Such a way that we are finished with the first group. So this group is complete here. And moving on to the second part, now I'll compare group 1. Each element of group 1 should be compared with element of group 2. Okay, so you can complete the table as 1 compared with 3, 9 and 10. After that 2 compared with 3, 9 and 10, likewise. So 1 compared with 3, what we have here, 1 compared with 3, it is 0 0, R bit is uncommon and S bit is 1. Similarly 1 compared with 9, that is don't care, 0 0 1. Then 1 compared with 10, see bit number S is uncommon, as well as bit number P is also uncommon. So we want only one bit which to be uncommon, and rest of the bit should be common. So we will leave that thing 10 and we will move to the second part. So 2 compared with the 3, so I have 2 compared with 3, I have 0 0 1, the last bit is don't care. Then 2 and 9, also it is not working, it is again S bit is uncommon along with the R bit. Okay, and P bit is also uncommon, that's why 2 9 won't work. 2 and 9 combination won't work, so we have to move towards 2 and 10, and the combination is don't care, 0 1 0. Then 8 compared with 9, see the 8 compared with 3 won't work, so it is 8 compared with 9, and 8 compared with 10, I have 1 0, don't care, 0. Again this group is also complete here. Similarly you can do with group number 2 compared with 3 and 3 compared with 4, and this is how you can complete the table. Let me complete the table for you. Now since we have a new set of group here, after comparing each group with the next group, we have 1 2 3 4 groups here. Out of 5 I have moved to 4. Now again we have to follow the same procedure to move on to second group, for which this group is not needed here, so I'll remove it.